Samsung has a history of introducing innovative features in its products, only to discontinue them later. However, one such feature may be making a return with the Galaxy S26 Ultra's camera. According to tipster Ice Universe, Samsung could equip the Galaxy S26 Ultra's primary rear camera with variable aperture, a feature currently offered by Huawei and Xiaomi in their flagship phones. Samsung first introduced dual aperture technology with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, allowing the camera to switch between f1.5 and f2.4 depending on lighting conditions. The f1.5 setting let in more light for reduced noise, but resulted in a narrower field of view, while the f2.4 setting was ideal for more bright environments, requiring a wider depth of field. This feature carried over to the Galaxy S10 series, but was removed with the Galaxy S20 series. Now it seems Samsung plans to bring back variable aperture with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, though it remains unclear whether it will offer multiple settings like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra or just two options like the Galaxy S9. Samsung is expected to enhance the Galaxy S26 Ultra's camera system by increasing the resolution of the 3x zoom telephoto lens to 50 megapixels. The device is also rumored to feature a silicon carbon battery with up to 5,500 mAh capacity and a more power-efficient display. Samsung was once known for offering a wide range of features in its devices, but over the years, it has gradually removed some, such as the IR blaster and bundled chargers. This raised concerns among fans that the company might also discontinue the S Pen. However, Annika Beeson, Samsung's VP of Product and Marketing UK, reassured users in an interview with TechRadar that the S Pen remains an essential part of Samsung's premium devices, especially the Ultra series. Many people use it for taking notes in meetings and other tasks, making it a key feature that Samsung does not plan to remove anytime soon. Even with the rise of AI-powered drawing tools, Samsung believes the S Pen still holds great value. Annika Beeson highlighted that creativity is one of the company's core values, and the S Pen plays a crucial role in allowing users to sketch and design freely. Features like sketch to image enhance this experience, making the S Pen more useful rather than obsolete. With this in mind, future models like the Galaxy S26 Ultra will continue to include the S Pen, ensuring it remains a major part of Samsung's flagship devices.
Samsung has upgraded its design with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, featuring a titanium frame for extra durability and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on the back. The phone has curved edges, thinner bezels, and comes in phantom black, titanium gray, emerald green, and burgundy red. It's also IP68 rated, making it water and dust resistant. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X display offers 3200 by 1440 resolution, a 165 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and 3000 nits peak brightness, ensuring a sharp and smooth experience. Vision Booster 2.0 enhances visibility in all lighting conditions. For performance, it runs on either the Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, with up to 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte storage. An AI-powered cooling system keeps the device from overheating. The camera setup includes a 200 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel periscope lens with 200x zoom, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 3D TOF sensor for better portrait shots. The 50 megapixel selfie camera supports Nightography 2.0 for clear, low-light photos. It also records 8K videos at 60 FPS with super steady mode and AI scene optimization. A 6,000 mAh battery supports 120 watt fast charging 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes, 50 watts wireless charging, and 15 watts reverse charging. AI battery optimization helps extend usage. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7.0, the S26 Ultra includes AI-powered features like call summarization, smart reply suggestions, and auto-generated captions. The S Pen now has 1.5 milliseconds latency, AI-powered text conversion, and real-time translation. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and UWB along with AI-powered call noise reduction. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Samsung DeX enhancements, and Samsung Knox 3.0 security add to the premium experience. The Galaxy S26 Ultra starts at $1,399, with high-end models reaching $1,799. Pre-orders begin soon, with trade-in deals and discounts available.